Let's talk about actions. Action is a file that contains a set of test steps that can be easily reused in multiple test scripts. If you find yourself repeating same steps in different scripts, this is a perfect spot to separate those steps into test actions. Here is an example. We have this test1 file. As you can see, we open our main page, then we click Login link, we type username and password, and then click on Sign In button. And after that, we continue our test. Imagine that you want to write another test that also includes login part. So you can create a new test script and copy those login steps from our first test. Let's do this. Test2.ct. So we can copy and paste here. As you can see, we are starting to duplicate our code, and that's not good. It makes our code harder to maintain and longer to write. So let's use actions. We can create action in the actions folder. In our case, we are working with main page, so let's create this action under our marketing page. So let's click on marketing page and create new file. Let's name this file something like login from marketing page .ct. All our test scripts and actions have .ct extensions. This stands for Colibri test. Cancel. So what we can do now, we can take these steps that are related to login. We can cut them and paste into our test action. So login from marketing page, this is the name of our test action. So now in our test, we can just start typing login, and here you can see our newly created test action, login from marketing page. So you just select this. And in our test 2, you can do completely the same. Login from marketing page. We can use this action as many times as we need in any test script. In case you want to make some changes to those login steps, you'll need to edit only this action file. All test cases that use this action will remain untouched. So when you execute this script, it will execute this first line, then it will see that this is a test action. It will go into this test action and execute those steps. Then it will come back and continue with test execution. As you can see, this saves a lot of time and makes maintenance of code much easier.